this week. Can you remind me, Liam, of what we learned about this week? Meteorites is one of them. But we learned about something first. What did we learn first? Space rocks. That is correct. We learned about space rocks. And once again, we have our friend Dr. Mr. DeMaio telling us all about space rocks. But first, there's a song we need to sing. Are you ready? Here we go.
Space.
Here we go, guys. What's that rock from outer space? Space rocks! Okay, that's just a short one, guys. But that's right, we learned about space rocks. Space rocks. Can you say space rocks? Space rocks. Space rocks. Space rocks. Okay, we'll come back to you. And what is one example of a space rock? Can you give me one example of a space rock that we talked about? Can you give me an example of a space rock?
Space rock.
That is correct. What's an example of a space rock?
Meteors.
Meteors, that is correct. Thank you so much. And Liam, can you give me another example of a space rock? Let me assist you. And then we have an aversion to touch.
Meteorite.
Meteorites, that is different from meteors. You are correct. And Aaron, can you give me another example of a space rock?
Meteorite.
Meteorites is one. Can you give me another example? One more example.
Meteorite.
It is meteorites. Give me one more example. Can you give me another example? Go ahead, take your time. We need another example of a space rock. Here, give it a try. Are you ready? Give me another example of a space rock. Space rock.
Asteroid.
Asteroids is correct, guys. You are correct. These are our space rocks.
Meteorite.
And in today's lesson, we will be investigating our own impact craters from a meteorite. Are we ready? Are we ready to test the impacts of our meteorite?
Yeah.
Well, yes. All right, guys. So here we go. Let me give you a visual of what we will be learning today and investigating. This is a meteorite. It's a meteor, but once it enters our atmosphere and starts to burn, and if it hits the ground, it's a meteorite. And this is what one would look like if it impacted us. All right, that's very, very, very interesting. But let's learn the difference between our space rocks first before we go into meteorites. And so here we are. Let's listen to this description of our space rocks.
As I said before, an asteroid is a large rocky body in space in orbit around the sun. Next is a meteoroid. Meteoroids are much smaller rocks or particles in orbit around the sun. That is a meteor. If a meteoroid enters the Earth's atmosphere, it vaporizes meteors beneath, which you may call a shooting star. And lastly is a meteorite. If a small asteroid or large meteoroid survives its fiery death over its atmosphere and lands on Earth's surface, it is then called a meteorite.
Interesting. So they come in stages. First is a meteoroid, then a meteor, and last a meteorite.
All right, guys, so there it is. It does come in stages. And so what we will be doing today is creating our own meteorite impacts. And so just to review one more time, a meteorite is a space rock that falls to Earth and lands on the ground. A crater is a big dent or hole made when a meteorite hits the ground. and the impact is the moment when a meteorite hits the ground. We will investigate different impacts of space rocks reaching Earth. We will use soil to simulate the Earth's surface and different objects to simulate meteorites. We will take turns dropping our object onto the soil and observing the impacts created. I will demonstrate the first impact. So here we go, guys. You see that? You ready, Aaron? You ready? Okay, so what happens here is that this is the Earth. You got the Earth? Hold the Earth for me. Oh, wow, the Earth fell. The Earth is falling. The Earth is falling. Here, I'll hold it with you. Okay. So then here comes the meteor. It's coming towards Earth. It's entering the atmosphere. It's burning. It's gonna hit the ground. Dust flies into the air. You like that too, Leon? All right, guys. And so here we have our soil. Are you ready, Stone? Are you ready? Are you ready? All right, we are ready, class. So we're gonna put our soil together like this. And these are gonna be our meteors. We have a small, we have a medium, and we have a large. Ooh. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop our meteor into the soil or Earth's surface, and we will take a look and investigate our impact crater. Doesn't that sound great, guys? All right, so here we go. I'm gonna model another one. Boom! Oh, look at that crater. That's such a big crater, much bigger than the first. Wow, okay, let's do it again. Are we ready? Uh-oh. Look at this big one right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, that one was a big crater, a large impact. So that's what we're gonna do today, guys. We're all gonna take turns dropping our meteorite to impact the Earth's surface. All right, I'm glad you're loving it, Aaron. Okay, so here we go. Now it's your turn to make craters. We're going to explore what happens. Are we ready, class? Are we ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, okay. Stone, you can go first. Let's drop our asteroid. And let's make a choice. Which size asteroid do we want to investigate? Do we want to investigate a large meteorite or a small one? Big one. All right, let's investigate this big one. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay, can I assist you, Stone? I know this might be a little heavy. Here, let me hold this one. Let's grab this. Can you pick it up? There you go. Good job. I'm gonna help you. Okay, hold on to it. There you go. Good job. And let's drop it. Here we go. Oh! Now, my. That is a big meteorite. Do you see how big this meteorite is? Now let's take it out and investigate the impact. Wow, that's pretty big, but it's deep too. The impact made the soil disperse every direction and created a big crater and impact. It is huge. Okay, Leah, let's try again, my friend. It's your turn. Let's try. Hold on, Aaron. It's almost your turn. Hold on, Aaron. We're getting to you, Aaron. Hold on. I know you love this. Okay. What size meteorite would you like to try, Liam? We'll take our time. Let me go ahead and get this mound back together again while Liam makes a choice on which size meteorite he would like to see impact the Earth. All right, Liam. Whenever you're ready, my friend, let's make a choice. Small? Was that small? It was small. Good job, my friend. All right, guys, we're gonna try a small meteorite. Let's watch its impact and look, investigate the crater. Are we ready? I'll drop this one for you, okay? Here we go. All right, you ready? All right, here comes the meteorite. Woo, woo, woo. Oh! And now let's look at this one. Oh, this one is much smaller. It has the imprint of this size. It's not as spread out. It looks like a smaller crater because it was a smaller meteorite and had less of an impact. That's right, guys, we're using our vocabulary as well. Meteorite, impact, crater. Okay, let's move on. Let's see what size meteorite Aaron would like. Aaron, would you like a big meteorite or a small? Wait, don't push it. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. I'm hurrying. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. Wait. Give me a chance. Okay. All right. Which size do we want, Aaron? Make a choice. Which size meteorite would you like? Take your time, Aaron. Take your time. You're doing great. Thank you, sir. We're working for Dr. Pepper. Aaron, what size meteorite should we try next? What size, Aaron? You have to make a choice. Which one? There you go. Big! All right! We are going to use a big meteorite for Aaron's investigation. All right, let's move on over to Aaron. Let's move on over. All right. Are you ready, Aaron? We are going to drop the meteorite and make an impact. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! All right, are you ready? Let's investigate. Oh, this one made a large impact and it dispersed the soil every direction. It's a large impact with a large crater because it was a large meteorite. So it seems the size of the meteorite determines the size of the crater and the impact. Great job, Aaron. Thank you so much. And now, Angel, would you like to investigate our meteor impact? Let's choose a size of your meteorite. Let's choose a size. Which size meteorite would you like, Angel? Big, all right. Good job choosing everyone. Everyone made a great choice. Angel has chosen a large meteorite. So let me get this back together. Let me get this back together. All the soil's coming back together. Look, the earth is just fine. The earth is just fine, Aaron. Okay, all right. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Another meteorite, a large one. Angel chose a large meteorite. Here we go. Here he comes. Oh, wait. Oh, wait a minute. Oh! And once again, the large meteorite creates a large crater. And it has a larger impact. Soil went in every direction dispersed. Great job, guys. Today we have investigated are meteorite impacts. So what did you notice? Did you notice that the larger meteorites created larger impacts and larger craters, and small meteorites created small impacts and small craters? Great job, guys. So today we investigated the impact of space rocks reaching Earth. Now we can look at the impacts of Earth and the Moon to better understand the size, speed, and weight of asteroids. We will do some independent practice after this, after we come back to the specials. But in the meantime, how about we play a small game? How about we have some of our meteorites impact the planets over here? So over here, we have our solar system and all the planets involved. We also have these 4 meteorites. We are going to launch these meteorites into space and see where they impact. Are you ready? You gotta let me know when you're ready. Are you ready? Are you ready, Aaron? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready, my friend? Here you go. Let me know if you're ready. Take your time. Now let me demonstrate. One asteroid flying into space. Are we ready? Here we go. Here it comes. Here it goes, Aaron. Oh, that one went into deep space. Let's try another one. Oh, that one went to Neptune. It didn't stick though. Let's try again. This is how asteroids fly through space. We got one, and it almost hit Saturn. We got one. Aaron, last one. Oh, wow, guys, we are launching asteroids into outer space. All right, so that is our lesson for today. We will come back and have more fun launching asteroids and meteorites into space. Thank you guys for your participation in this lesson.